Hi everyone, I'm Jay, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy, cool textured pop art photo effect. So we've got this image loaded up here. It'll be available in the bio and below the video. And the first thing we're going to do is go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and Threshold. Where's Threshold? There we go. Just hit OK, and then so what this does is just it makes everything black and white, so we can move this slide around and see what looks good. So I think that looks pretty good. But you can see down at the bottom of the image here, there's still some sort of areas of black that we don't really need. So what we're going to do is create a new layer, and then we are going to select the brush tool. Make sure there's a hard brush, that's all good. And then pressing the square bracket keys, you can increase and decrease the size of the brush. So I'll make it a little bit bigger. And then, so you can see down here we have white selected, so this will cover any of these black bits. So we'll just mask these, mask all of these. If at the bottom here yours is not on the white, you can click X and it will toggle between black and white. So we have white. That looks pretty good. So the next step is to create a gradient color to get that nice pop art effect. So we'll go to Layer again, New Adjustment Layer. Then go to Gradient Map, and hit OK, that's fine. Just double click on this, go to the one that sort of looks, it's basically just black and white, so we'll select that. So at the moment this is the wrong way around, but we can change that pretty easily. So we'll go to double click here, and then we can change the color to whatever we want. I want to pick a nice sort of neon color, so we'll maybe go to, that looks pretty cool there. It's a nice yellow color. I mean, that actually looks pretty cool in itself with the black background, but we'll reverse that. So actually I'll just take this color code, so copy that color code, Command C. Okay, I'm going to paste it in over here, just so it's the reverse, Command V. Don't worry about that, we'll change that quickly. Go back to here. Now we want a sort of charcoaly color, so maybe there. 2B, 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 that's the color code. Hit OK. So it looks pretty good so far. But there's one more thing we're going to do. We're going to add a textured layer on top, just to give it a bit of extra oomph. So we'll hit OK there. So we'll go to Layer, and then go down to New Fill Layer, Pattern, and then hit OK. I'm not really a fan of this pattern, so what we can do is we can go to double click here, you can go to the little wheel here, go down and go to Patterns 2. Just hit OK. Oh, not Patterns 2, that's not the one. Let's go to Texture Fills 2, and then go to this one here, click on that. I'm going to increase the scale here because it's just a little bit too small, so maybe increase it to around maybe 210ish. That looks alright. Press OK. Now obviously this isn't good, this just completely covers the image, so what we're going to do is we're going to go down here and decrease the opacity down to about 9% maybe. No, maybe a little bit lower, it's a bit too much. About 5%. Looks pretty cool, maybe 4%. yeah, I think that's it there. So decrease the opacity down to 4%, you get this nice texture finish, and that's it. There we go. That's how you make a cool textured pop art photo effect. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel to see some more cool content. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.